Tignan niya yung boss ko. Boss. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. How do you feel when everyone says that you're beautiful? Yellow? Sumagot ka. Sabi mo yes.
Yes.
Boss talaga. No, yellow. Boss talaga. Okay. Are you okay? Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then what are you gonna do about it? Okay. Understood, boss. Okay, boss. Nauuntog na si Kuya Jello. Ay, talaga. Ay, galit talaga. Oh. Ay, talagang lumalaki pa yung butas ng ilong ah.